Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say a massive thank you for your patience and unwavering support over the past few months. Your comments, messages, and blessings have meant the world to me and kept me going during a very challenging time. As many of you know, I've been on a roller coaster journey since I shared my last videos with you. From buying my new home and saying goodbye to my amazing neighbors, to dealing with unexpected and stressful situations. It's been quite the adventure. Unfortunately, my health has been an ongoing challenge. I've been experiencing ups and downs, which have made it difficult to get back into a steady routine. There were days when I thought I was finally on the mend, only to have setbacks that reminded me to slow down and take care of myself. It's been frustrating, but I'm learning to listen to my body more. Spending time with my furry companions, Blue, Oliver, Selena, and Mina, and of course, my chickens too, has been a great source of comfort. They've been my little rays of sunshine even on the hardest days. On top of that, my kitchen renovation is still ongoing. It's taking longer than I hoped, and realistically, it might be another month or two before it's fully ready. The goal is to create a space that's not only functional but also inspiring, something that reflects my passion for baking and allows me to share even more exciting recipes with all of you. I want this kitchen to be the heart of my content, a place where we can explore new recipes, refine old favorites, and create beautiful moments together. While I was hoping to have everything finished in time to bake Christmas treats with you all, it looks like that will have to wait until next year. The good news is I'm making sure this kitchen is worth the wait. When it's finished, it'll be the perfect space for creating all kinds of exciting recipes, and I can't wait to share it with you. Now, even though I won't be baking this Christmas, I still want to celebrate the season with all of you. This is my favorite time of year, filled with warmth, joy, and so many beautiful traditions. While we wait for the kitchen to be finished, I'd love to know, what are your favorite holiday baking traditions? Maybe you make gingerbread cookies, Christmas puddings, or festive cakes. Even though I can't bake along with you this year, I'd love to hear about the treats that make your holidays special. For now, I'm focusing on taking things one step at a time. Health comes first, and I've realized it's okay to take a break when you need it. So, while I wait for the renovations to finish, I'm planning for the future. I've been brainstorming recipe ideas, organizing my tools, and getting everything ready to hit the ground running when my kitchen is finally done. Thank you all for sticking with me through this journey. Your kindness, support, and encouragement have been my strength during some of the hardest moments. Please continue to take care of yourselves and each other. Even though I can't bake with you just yet, I'd love to know, what are you baking this holiday season? Share your favorite recipes or traditions in the comments, and maybe I'll feature them in my first videos of the new year. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and keep the holiday spirit alive. Wishing you all a warm and wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. Bye for now.